this is Karen, and this is Bobby from Marty's Garden! Today we're going to teach you wild birds in the garden and why they're good in the garden. The main reason we want them to come in the garden is to eat all the bad insects so our gardens can stay healthy. Ooh, nice red brown in the green. It's good to have bushes around the gardens because so the birds can hide from like eagles in the sky, and have bushes so they can feel safe and get lots of insects. Like one of these, like a big grasshopper. Birds like to go in the bushes and hunt in the garden and get insects from the garden by making, if you have like a bushy area, the birds will come in and have flowers because flowers will attract more insects, and then more insects will come in the garden and more birds will come in the garden. We can attract birds by putting seeds in a big bowl or a bowl of water up high in the trees, and getting used to us.